we travel to Sajanura to meet both the candidates, both actors, both fiery and full of energy. First, we meet incumbent MP, BJP candidate, Bhojpuri star Ravi Kishan. He uses all his singing and acting skills to woo crowds. Particularly the women. I have with me the incumbent MP from Gorakhpur, Mr. Ravi Kishan. Sir, I must say your campaign has been thoroughly entertaining, very colourful to witness.
Yeah, because it's a celebration. It's people wait for this for 5 years. And Modi ji has brought so many, he brought life to their life. He got happiness to them. He got food, ration, house, road, electricity. So I have to celebrate what Modi ji has given them, what Puji Yogi Maharaj has given them. So that this celebration is happening, and they were all very, very poor people. Now today they are happy कि हम जेकर खाई बुआ का गाई.
So in Gorakhpur, for example, who is a vote for BJP for? Is it for Modi ji, for Yogi ji, or for Ravi Kishan ji?
So that's the beauty. The Modi Yogi, I'm blessed that Modi Yogi ji, Kamal Nishan, and whatever they love me as because I've shifted my base from Bombay to Naukaya. Now I'm a Gorakhpur guy now. So I work here, I make movies here, I give them job, I act, I earn money from my acting, and I give free service to my people who gave me 7.5 lakh vote last term. So this is what I'm paying back. What do you say in English? It's time to pay back. So it's my payback time.
That's what I wanted to ask you. You're one of the few actor politicians. Most of them make the transition full. You're still doing both. You still had two very successful Lapata Ladies, Mamla Legal Hai, all which did extremely well. How do you manage both?
It's very tough.
Someone then accuses you of ignoring your constituency for films.
But I am doing it here only. I'm shooting here only. I just go for a few days. I live here only. From here I fly and work and I come back. I earn my bread and butter from there, and camera is my oxygen. I'm never going to give up my camera, and I still give service, and I'm honest. I'm an open book. You can work. Modi ji never said don't work. He says work. अपना जो काम करते हो काम भी करो, service भी करो. So that in politics I'm honestly only doing service to people. I'm not looking out for any money, nothing. My family's run through my makeup, my work. I'm honest here. I raise question. I'm #1 parliamentarian in entire UP. 486 question I raised in 5 years. 10 private bill is on my name. I bought big investment here from central government. Whatever Yogi ji asked me, go and get it. I got it. So they are happy कि मेरा सांसद मुझे 2650 करोड़ का सोनोली रिंग रोड भी लाया, ट्रेन्स भी लाया, ट्रेन ठहराव भी किया, क्वेश्चन रेज, एयरक्राफ्ट भी लेके आते हैं. I'm by default I'm a chairperson of the airport. So I'm doing all the service to them. They are very happy कि मेरा सांसद and my भोजपुरिया सुपरस्टार मेरी आवाज उठाता है, भोजपुरी में बात करता है, and they are happy कि he is honest. He is not lying. ये मठ की सीट है, मंदिर की परंपरागत सीट. मैं वहाँ सेवक हूँ. I'm just giving service. मैं खड़ाऊं रख के वहाँ सेवा कर रहा हूँ. So I never call myself सांसद. यहाँ गोरखनाथ बाबा पूज्य योगी महाराज जी सांसद हैं. मैं एक सेवक हूँ.
In Gorakhpur, there's a lot of talk about the Nishad vote and them being angry with the BJP. And the SPs also fielded Kajal Nishad. Do you think that's going to be a problem for you?
They're all Nishad Samaj. They're all you find.
Nishad se ho?
There are so many Nishad. They're all caste and they're Kekra, Suren Nishad ji itne bade neta hain. They all they are last time same Nishad gave me 7.5 lakh vote. They are very happy. So maximum houses they got. And all the caste, see now the power.
Promises made to them. They're saying it's not been fulfilled.
No. There was the promises of houses. Promises we gave them minister, Dr. Sanjay Nishad. We have the biggest in central government we have. Nishad community most have 14,000 crore rupees budget by Modi ji given to them. Nishad Samaj के लिए private bill I asked in parliament, उनके लिए बीमा करवाया. उनके लिए 900 crore का budget है from UP government. निषाद समाज के लिए जितना कल्याण अब हुआ है, that never happened.
You're a Bhojpuri superstar. Lots of videos doing the rounds. There's one video with which the opposition is targeting you, saying you're allergic to the poor. What's your response?
You can see I'm with the poor. I was dancing, singing. The old mother, she just slapped me. It's captured by your camera. So I'm fine and I'm happy. I've been brought up. I'm coming from a very humble background. How can I hate them? They are my system. They made me superstar.
My final question to you, as the Bhojpuri superstar, I saw you interacting with them, singing with them. Your message to the opposition, one of your, most powerful dialogues. Are your favorite?
तकरार छिड़ल बात तकरार चली. तकरार छिड़ल बात भरपूर जवानी में. ये महफिल का मजा हम तरीका से ले, काहे यहाँ मर्जी महादेव के चली.
Thank you so much.
हारा हारा. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे.
Congratulations on a successful campaign. So far, all the best to you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Well, that was an entertaining campaign.